If you're the leader of a high-performance team, you'll be lying awake at night searching for that 1% improvement in some area of your operation, which will hopefully give you an edge over the competition. So here's 3 areas to have a look at inside communications. Firstly, keywords. Keywords are carefully defined words which have a certain meaning inside a certain operational context. An example is the word contact. The word contact is used by soldiers in the army when they are initially engaged by the enemy. The first person that's shot at will scream out contact. The rest of the soldiers will hear this and go into a very, very well rehearsed set of actions. The second one is to use standard phraseology or standard message formatting. I'll give you an example from my former life as a fighter pilot. So here we are flying along in our fighter aeroplanes, myself and my wingman. I look across and I see another aircraft coming in from high. So what I could say is, hey mate, let's turn 45 degrees to the right. I can see another aeroplane over there. I'm not sure if he's a good guy or a bad guy. If he's a bad guy, I'm probably going to try and shoot him. That takes a long time. It's quite ambiguous and the wingman really doesn't know what he's supposed to do or where he's supposed to look. What we actually say is Tiger, break right, 1 bandit, right 1 o'clock high, 1 mile, Tiger 1 engaged. And that drastically cuts down both the ambiguity and the length of time that it takes to give my wingman that information. The last one's code words. Code words are carefully defined words which are kind of out of context, but which have a specific meaning. An example would be in a motorsport team, the team principal comes up with the code word red lip for our plan B pit stop strategy. So as we're going through the race on the radio, the team principal comes up and says red lip, red lip. Everyone knows that we're switching to plan B, the second pit stop strategy, but our competitors are denied that information. The thing about code words is that they're normally compromised after the first or second time they're used, so we have to cycle them quite frequently and come up with new code words each time we go into an operation. So there we go, 3 areas inside comms: keywords, standard message formatting and phraseology, and code words. 3 areas for you to try and find that edge over your competition.